Ever pondered about the ultimate experience that marries your love for yoga with your thirst for travel, culture, and gourmet food? Picture this: a morning salutation to the rising sun, with the soothing sound of waves as your background score, on a private deck that offers a panoramic view of untouched nature, a place where the golden rays of dawn illuminate your path to the yoga mat. Welcome to the world of luxury yoga retreats. In these retreats, you're greeted by the gentle kiss of ocean breezes as you wake, and a breakfast buffet that's a symphony of exotic fruits and homemade delicacies. Spread across the globe, these retreats are carefully curated to provide an experience where your physical yoga practice merges seamlessly with cultural immersion and Epicurean adventures. Luxury seekers breathe a sigh of relief. The era of rustic, bare-bones accommodation is long gone. Today's yoga retreats offer the comfort of opulent lodgings, from quaint boutique hotels to extensive beachfront resorts. Think infinity pools, rejuvenating spas, and personalized wellness consultations. Imagine slipping into a plush robe after an invigorating vinyasa session, surrendering to a soothing massage with local botanicals, followed by a candlelit dinner of gourmet dishes prepared by award-winning chefs. With each episode, this series will take you on a journey through specific destinations, each offering unique experiences. Picture practicing yoga amidst the ancient ruins of Bali, your downward dog echoing the splendor of a forgotten temple. Or visualize flowing through postures on a secluded Caribbean beach, the rhythmic hum of turquoise waves, your only distraction. We'll guide you through hidden retreats in Thailand, Costa Rica, Italy, and more. Each destination promises a distinct fusion of cultural exploration, culinary delights, and transformative yoga experiences. So, pack your yoga mat and a healthy dose of wanderlust. Prepare for a journey of self-discovery where every inhale invigorates your body, every exhale broadens your mind, and every bite tantalizes your palate. Stay tuned for our next episode as we reveal the first of many paradises ready to welcome you with open arms and a perfect downward-facing dog. And be sure to check out our yoga resource links in the description.